Most parents will agree that changing dirty diapers is not their favorite activity, but having the right baby gear, like a baby changing table, can make the messy job a whole lot easier. The changing tables keep all your baby supplies organized and within reach, helping to take the stress out of changing a squirming baby. The best diaper changing tables are made from durable material and provide you plenty of space to keep all the things nice and tidy. In order to help you to find out the best one, we have selected and reviewed best diaper changing tables, which are recommended by users and field experts. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. Badger Basket Baby Changing Table. Available in different attractive colors. Badger Basket's modern baby changing table, with hamper and 3 baskets, is a practical and stylish place for diaper changing and getting baby ready for the day or night. The large hamper contains and conceals dirty duds, or use it to store blankets and toys, or bulk packs of diapers and wipes. The hamper has handle slots and easily removes from its shelf to carry to your laundry room. 3 baskets are ideal for changing supplies, linens, baby blankets, lotions and toiletries. All baskets can be removed and taken with you throughout the house. This changing table frame made with multi-layer solid wood, and the shelves are engineered wood with veneer. All paints and finishes are non-toxic. It provides large changing area and features a built-in safety strap to keep your baby secure, suitable for use with babies weighing up to 30 pounds. Number 2. Igra Baby Changing Table. Available in different eye-catching colors. This baby diaper changing table has 4-level adjustable height, which offers a suitable position for parents to change diapers, do massage, as well as change clothes for their babies. It is uniquely built for sturdy durability and long-lasting use, made with safe and skin-friendly Oxford fabric and high-grade rust-free steel frame to ensure your baby's safety. The built-in foldable MDF support, the safety belt, and the 4-side protective fabric plates provide absolute security for your babies, equipped with 4 heavy-duty lockable, mute universal wheels that can move on rough ground, and you can easily fold the diaper changing station to save space when finish baby's tasks. Equipped with 2 baskets aside the table and 1 large lower storage space where you can place diapers, towels, tissues, small baby toys and dolls, etc. Number 3. 4-Start Mobile Baby Changing Table. Available in different pleasing colors. It has quiet universal casters with lockable brake that can move on the rough ground and plush carpet more easily, and the bottom can be the adjustable extension from 33.8 inches to 35.8 inches. Equipped with 5 baskets aside the table, the parent can place diapers, towels, tissues, small baby toys and dolls, etc. Lots of storage room makes changes easier. This changing table can be folded by 1 key folding. It is super easy to fold this portable table stand, saving space when finish baby's tasks. Built for sturdy durability and long-lasting use, made with safe and skin-friendly Oxford cloth and cold-rolled steel to ensure your baby's safety. Number 4. Little Seeds 3-Drawer Changing Table. Available in different appealing colors. Made of laminated particle board, the classic white chassis is accented by the blue drawer fronts. For a fun look, 2 sets of drawer knobs are also included. The durable metal drawer slides feature built-in stops and includes a wall anchor kit to ensure your child's safety. The changing table topper fits a standard size changing pad and can be removed. Even your child outgrows it to convert the changing table into a youth dresser. Place all of your diapers, wipes, and lotions in the 3 spacious drawers to keep your changing essentials organized and out of sight. Number 5. Badger Basket Modern Baby Changing Table. Available in different graceful colors. This baby changing table, with 6 baskets, is a smartly organized and endlessly practical place for diaper changing and dressing your baby. 3 large and 3 small baskets hold diapers, wipes, creams, blankets, toys and more. You can insert your own nameplates into the pockets on the front of each basket, so you know what's stored inside. It includes foam changing pad and safety belt, and suitable for children weighing up to 30 pounds.